Alright, you guys. Hope you guys have been well. I know the screen said good morning, but even if it's not morning, good afternoon or good night. This video is going to be about how I process a fruit vinegar with grapes. These grapes are cotton candy grapes, and they were going bad. So instead of throwing them out, I didn't feel like putting them in my garden as far as compost. So I decided to make a vinegar out of it. And so the process that I've read online is that you kind of make it into an alcohol first and then you make it into a vinegar. Well, we'll go from there. But yeah, after I get through rinsing them off, I'm going to go ahead and start processing them. And by processing them, as you can see, I'm going to start taking off the stems and discarding the grapes that I don't think will work for the process. Of course, this is a new process to me, and I'm open to suggestions, so feel free to leave any suggestions in the comments, any recommendation videos or recipes. I am more than open to looking into them because this is the first time doing it. I've made vinegar with pears before, but this will be my first time doing it with grapes. All right, and now I'm gonna rinse it off one more time before adding a little water, just so that that can help it soak and definitely help with the blending process, and then we'll go from there. All right, here you can see I added enough water to just cover the grapes, and then I go ahead and start the blender and just kind of get it blended up a good bit. Like I said, I just wanted to get it into smaller pieces so that it could be processed easier, but this is what it should look like afterwards. All right, now I'm gonna pour off this blended mixture into a funnel that's going into the jar that I'm gonna be using, and we're gonna go from there. Okay, now I'm gonna add a little bit of sugar, and that's gonna feed the bacteria that's gonna help us make the alcohol and then vinegar. And now we're shaking that up. I'm just gonna keep a lid that just gonna wash every day and kind of use that to kind of help mix it up every day to keep mold from developing. And like I said, I've made fruit vinegar before from from pears. So if you guys have any type of suggestions or anything, please let me know. This is the end process. Gonna put a coffee filter over the top with a rubber band just so they can breathe. And we're gonna let it sit and we're gonna go from there. Like I said before, you guys, if you have any suggestions, please let me know. If you have any comments or anything, they are greatly appreciated. Otherwise, this is the end result right now. So, like I said, if you have any suggestions or anything, please let me know. Otherwise, thanks again for watching. Now time to wrap it up. Here's what the finished product looks like. Well, the current finished product. But yeah, you guys, that's how I go about making grape vinegar. Now, of course, this isn't the completed process, but this is how we get started with making wine. And I know you guys are gonna look at the fact that I added water, but just to kind of, that might dilute the wine and stuff like that. But I'm trying to see how much vinegar I can make more so than anything. You know, that might not help, that might hurt. But I'm open to suggestions. I'm open to you guys letting me know. But this is just my experiment. And for right now, this should take at least about a month to kind of process. So we'll go from there. Like I said, like, subscribe. I post a video once a week. But yeah, just let me know if you guys have any suggestions or anything. And we'll go from there. You guys have an awesome day.